Hey, hello everyone. Again, I'm come back with some interesting other online courses. Today, I'll tell you about some interesting online data analyst online courses. And if you want more information about the online courses, subscribe our channel CourseAvatar, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that always you will be get updated whenever I upload the new video here. So let's start it. So our first course is a data analyst course. Is a complete data analyst bootcamp course. Is on the Udemy, and here you will learn learn the concept, learn the data analyst course with the concepts like data types, data virtualizations, Python, and pre-processing and pandas also. Your topic covers like Python, data visualizations, numpy, and you will learn about the data visualization, and you learn to make the line pie bar regressions, histograms and combo charts. Isn't You will learn all the necessary concepts that will help you get the job of data analyst, and it's best for the beginners who wish to become a data scientist or data analyst. This is a bootcamp course for them. If you are interested and want to become a data analyst or data scientist, then go and check out the link given below. So, second course is a data analyst full course. It's for the beginners, and it's a data analyst course. It's on the Simplilearn or the YouTube channel of the Simplilearn. In the here you will learn. This course is includes a many interview questions that may help you the data analyst job also, with the topics like data analysis and Python, pivot table in Excel. You will learn to make the pivot tables in Excel, and you'll learn to do the data analysis using Python. You will learn the concepts like SAS, table view, and many more things. So this is the best for the beginner data analysts, who just are beginning the journey of the data analyst can go for this course. Is also for the professionals like market managers, financiers, and banking professionals or IT professionals will also learn this course. Is the best course for them also. It's a very free course, or it's on the YouTube channel of Simply Learn. Go and check out the link given below. So our third course is a data analyst with pandas and pythons. It's on the Udemy, and here you will learn the best online Python course with for the data analysts. Here we will learn the topics like Python, pandas, and data analysts. You will learn the deeply understanding of 1D, 2D, 3D data days, and you will solve the issues like incomplete data and broken data sets. This is for the people who have the prior knowledge of the Excel sheets and wish to learn the powerful software for the data analyst, then they can definitely go for this course. Is the best course to learn the Python and pandas with the data analyst. And the business analyst and the data analyst can also find the very benefit from this course. Go and check out the link given below. So our fourth course is a data is an intro to the data analyst by the Udacity. Here you will learn the data analyst in a simplified and interactive manner. In addition to the learn the data analyst using in course exercises also, here you will learn the deep dive into the data analyst process, and you will learn the investigate a data set. This is for the people who are the beginners in the data analyst and data analyst sites, and they are all know the basics of the Python. Will be definitely find this course very helpful and beneficial. Those people go and check out the link given below if you are interested in data analysts. So our fifth course is a complete introduction to the business data analyst. It's on the Udemy. It's a completely free course, and here you will learn the advanced course of data analysis. You will learn about the data analysis in depth, like data analysis and Excels. You will learn the analysis, the methods, tools, techniques, transforms data into the intelligence, and you will learn the simply techniques to make the impactful Excel dashboards. You will learn why the data analyst and essentials using excels to analyze data. This course is for the people who wish to learn various methods of data analysis and want and this also for business minded people, good for the business minded people who wish to learn, who wish to analyze or who wants to analyze their own business, own data information. Then they definitely go for this course. Go and check out the link given below. So our sixth course is also a sixth course is Microsoft Excel Data Analyst with Excel Pivot and tables on it's on the Udemy. Here you will learn the data analyst in Excel along with the advanced concepts of Excel Pivot. This is one of the best Excel course of the data analyst that you will can enroll for it. And this in this course you will cover topics like data analyst and data excel pivots tables analyze. You will learn about them, and you will learn the about excel pivot charts, and you will learn the advanced concepts like floating, shorting, calculation tools. And this course is for the people who use excels daily and wish to become a more efficient analyzing then they definitely go for this course. Is for the people who also wish to make career in business intelligence and data analyst. Then they can definitely go for this course. Is the best course for them to learn the Microsoft Excel with data analyst. Then go and check out the link given below. So our here last course is there. Last course is the data analyst and statistics practical course for the beginners. It's on the Udemy. It's a completely free course. Is there. You will learn about the statistics and data analysis in with the simple steps. You will learn to analyze data and real life applications for of statistics, and you will learn to create the surveys and collect the data. You will learn the concepts of the data explorations, data collections, monetizations, and many more things. This is for the people who wish to learn statistics and data analytics both together in data and to become a data analysis. Then they definitely go for this course. Is the best course. Who also know the statistics and wants to become a data analyst, then definitely go for this course. It's the best course for them. Go and check out the link. So here all the courses are ended, and the links of the all the courses are links given in the description box. Make sure you go and check out at that, and for which course you're gonna enroll yourself, comment it that also, and click on the subscribe button and bell icon so that you get updated more about the online courses. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, all of you.